So I get to play with chain. Yay. Cut this thing. He might want his wire back, so I'll save that. I gotta count 250. It'll keep me busy for a while.
You need a long ratchet tip. I get my long ratchet tip. Okay. Oh, tell me, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to work these in there too. Keep going, you can go a little faster than that. You're not tired yet, are you?
No.
Good. We're just getting started.
Oh boy.
You know how you do this by myself? No. My crane, I have this on here. I can get it slowly and pull this out. That's the other thing you gotta watch, is you gotta get it on that ring up. Keep going. There you go. Hang on. What's that? It's kind of in the bind. Well, it's because of this. This is a hook grab. Oh, I see. Well, then once you get past, okay, you got to pull this bond.
Let me back it up a little.
Nope. There we go. Go a little more. Hold it.
Okay, I'm at a hard spot.
Let's run this in a little bit so I can get it. Well, I wonder, tighten it up a little bit, Travis, maybe I can push on and feed it.
You want to tighten it up?
Yeah, go the
Other way?
just turn it slow.
Hang on, I gotta
I
get.
don't know which way, whichever way you, hold it.
Good?
Just wait. Or here's this one.
Daggone. Nope, we're not home free. Nope, 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 nope. I backed it off a little bit. Let me go a little bit.
Yeah, try. I don't, it does look crooked.
Yep, that's off more.
Back it up a little bit then.
Ow.
Keep going, Travis.
Hang on, the ratchet came off.
Hold it, hold it.
Oh,
Okay, a little more, Travis. There you go.
go.
Well, go slowly so we can pull that.
It's bound up again. Oh, look at them nice lines on the floor. Just to double check myself. Let's see. You start right there. 10. All the way. All the way to right there. Right there. So then what you do is you take this guy here and kind of open it up all the way. Okay. Take a guy here, open it up all the way. And then take his
Oh, thank you, same to you.
chain too big.
So I gotta get myself, I actually ate way too much for lunch, but the guy that's with me here, his son, he's gonna be with the shit the rest of the day. He ate 2 plates. I told him, I said, you're gonna go with the shit. Why is on to make me now you here? Yeah, it's good food. Pizza, salad, chicken.
Maybe I don't know how to use this damn thing.
They're good. Meatball. Man, them meatballs are good. And cookies.
I'm supposed to be able to,
Yeah, it was good. Good lunch.
like that, push it right in there,
Plan on trying to come back in next
in that little hole. You take this guy, and you run him. It pushes that little pin out in there,
That guy went to me. Remember back in the summertime that I got
and then
down on that combine?
maybe I'm doing this wrong.
He wants help for me to tear it down. Is there a special plate or anything? Or can you get plates or how? Just make those plates.
So I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here or not, but this little tool here, it's designed to drive these pins out of here to separate these links so that you can take your chain back with you and everything. That thing ain't driving out like I want it. So there it goes. So that's what it's supposed to do, is drive that pin out, separate the thing, and then you just move it down the line and you do the next one down there. And that's how the tool works, is you run this little guy around here like a such, and it pushes them pins out, or the master links. It does just that. So what you got to do, come up here, take his chain apart, because it's sloppy. We don't like sloppiness. Take his tool here and you push one of these pins out here. I don't know where the master link is, and you can't spin the thing by hand. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Just got myself. But that's what that chain there that I counted out was for. So yeah. Oh, cut myself up in here. They don't make these things very easy to get up in here to look at this. I gotta take his double nut here, back this spring off, and this is the chain. No, that's not the chain. There's the chain that's got to come loose. Okay, so we're gonna get a wrench or something, back the spring off here. Fails. You start with the most common size wrench that there is, which is the 9/16, and let's see. Nope, I can't get a socket on because we got the same problem as. You know what? Do we got a ratchet wrench maybe? No. Hey, 9/16. Yep, there it is. Oh. Thank God I'm skinny, you know? Oh. Good grief. Oh, you gotta take the double nut off. Good grief. Man. The heck is that thing? What thing's going on there? Oh, you know what? Maybe it's because I'm going the wrong way. Ooh. Daggone. I got this guy broke loose. I had to run this. Duh, you should run that jam nut down. That would have made things a little easier. Run that. The nut. There. I think I'll be loose enough. Let's see. No, we need to go more. We need to go more. So what I'll do is I'll stick you back there. We might as well go all the way. Take this little nut here and just keep spinning him that way, because if it's worth, we won't go all the way. We'll go a fair bit. And then just to buzz this little guy off here, run him down about I think right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. Oh yeah, to where it's nice and floppity. Good deal. I'm gonna put this wrench right on the tire. What I need to do is locate a master link. Oh, I think it's right. No, it's a. So, where's my master link? I don't even know what the heck a master link is, to be honest with you. Huh. But we'll find it. Master link is what connects the darn thing together. Shoot, you know what? We can pick that, undo this guy here. You slide him up more, you give him more tension to get rid of this guy, this chain, because you don't need this much pressure on this chain. So, I guess what we could do is, well, why can't we just do that instead of doing the spring like John had me do? I don't know, this is his show, I just work here. But that'd be a better idea than messing around with all this crap. Oh, this little guy here, that's the oiler that oils this thing. But it don't work. There's no way to turn this thing. They're gone. Oh, it's right here. This little guy. Lost it again. I think it's right there. I can't see nothing. Yeah, that's the new chain. This is the short 156. 156 would be right here. Take this little guy like such. I think I'm gonna go right to here. It goes that way. Shit. Horse pup. Must me the hell up. Need a hook on the floor, John, to hook his chain to, so the damn thing quit moving on me. The chain's not moving, I'm moving it. What's that? Oh, crap. So I thought of this idea. Zip ties stupid things. Finally got the stupid thing cut. Now I remember where it goes. Let's see. I think it goes up here. Okay, so I'm trying to remember how this damn thing went. Let's see, did it go? No. It has to.
Yeah, see what you find there. You get that thing down to the. Okay, so you get that.
What the heck? That goes like that.
I'm still trying to find that other one. And I'm wondering if you're going to have him with that seal too.
That'll come up here. This will hook up.
But one place
Maybe I ought to do that first.
and
Maybe I ought to hook that up there first and then I'll dick with this.
and you haven't gotten
I don't know.
so I was going to try.
So this is what I get to do here is put this little ring on that master there and that little round figure 8 looking thing holds everything together. Got the one down there done. Now I'm upstairs here working at this one. Well, we got the combine all done. And I'm going home to see what kind of trouble I can get into this Christmas weekend. So, hope you guys enjoy. Remember, keep Christ in Christmas. We'll catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching.